Acme Incorporated is a software company localizing with the Sisulizer localization tool. This opens new markets all over the world. This has positive side effects: growing international sales, expanding demand for new products and features, more work for more development members. John, May, and Zach are senior developers at Acme Incorporated. They decide to ease their team work with a software build server. With Sisualizer's additional build server license, Acme Incorporated integrates software localization directly into their centralized build process. Top reasons for a build server with Sisulizer: optimized. Large teams can localize the same software project. Secure. Centralizes sources, settings, and translations are easy to maintain and back up. Up to date. The server provides ready-to-ship localized software with every build. Save time and money. The localized software is automatically built overnight. Download your free Sisulizer evaluation at sisulizer.com and go global now.